Okay. How can I get rid of this, bro? Oh. Alright, guys. Alright, we're live right now. Alright. Okay, perfect. Everybody can hear me. That's what's up. Hello, hello. Mic test. Mic. Okay, mic test. Alright. I'm just leave this shit right here. Okay. Trying to see if I'm okay. I'm loud enough. Okay, perfect. God damn, man. I'll put it right here. Ooh. Alright, we gotta get shit ready. I can feel your heart. You guys gonna see all my blown accounts. Fuck it. Crying out for me. Alright, I got the and I use TapStep X for charting. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to buy TradingView. Today's gonna be an interesting one, man. What is this here? This is gonna be an interesting session. I probably won't be taking a trade, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, this looks too crazy. Let's see, man. What is this here? Let me see. This is gonna be an interesting session. I probably won't be taking a trade, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This shit way too delayed, bro. Let me see. Yeah, this looks too crazy. Let's see, man. What is this here? Let me see. This is gonna be an interesting session. I probably won't be taking a trade, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This shit way too delayed, bro. Alright, we're good. Let me see. Yeah, this looks too crazy. Let's see, man. What is this here? Let me see. This is gonna be an interesting session. I probably won't be taking a trade, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This shit way too delayed, bro. Alright, we're good. Let me see. Yeah, this looks too crazy. Let's see, man. What is this here? Let me see. This is gonna be an interesting session. I probably won't be taking a trade, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This shit way too delayed, bro. Alright, we're good. Let me see. Yeah, this looks too crazy. Let's see, man. What is this here? Let me see. This is gonna be. I don't know what the fuck was going on there. Still trying to figure this shit out. I don't know what the fuck was going on there. Alright, I don't want to listen to that shit. It's a little too confusing. Alright, let's start marking shit up here. I pretty much took all of that shit. I mean, this is obviously bullish, man. Like, there's really no reason for me to look for shorts. Fuck. For me to comfortably look for shorts would be below here, and that's the hourly time frame. So yeah, I really don't think I'm gonna be able to get a trade today. You got no views in this motherfucker, man. Am I allowed to cuss? Let me check this on my phone. All right. It's gonna be boring. So I wanted to, you know, we gonna do. We could. Hold on, I should actually put this on this one here so you guys don't have to see this whenever I pull it up. Let me see. All right, nice. Those are the only two targets that I can see so far. Most doable targets. Tap into this right here. I feel like I'm missing something here. Probably gonna run this slow, man. Ain't gonna wake on that one there. Yeah, I think they gonna run this slow. I can't get in on it though. I'm tired as hell, bro. You got no sleep. This candle has a no wick. could tap into it. Equal highs up here too. You got about one more minute here. I'm not dumb as hell. We got a counter right here. I don't know why I didn't just look at that. So it'll be a decent trade here. But it's market open. So I don't really know about that. I gotta have trade over here. Yeah, I think they're about to run this slow market open. We're gonna go in a little demo trade here.
Order filled.
Yeah. Minimum target is this, but overall we down here. Let's see, we got 2 more seconds. There you go. And that was an easy 2.5 right there. 2.7. But yeah, no, it's market open, bro. I can't really do anything. Unless I want to break my rule, then yeah, I could take that trade. Okay. So basically, we got a target here. Got a target, clear target. We'll tap into a 15. Tap into a 15. Since this is, market open / before market open, I can't just take a CISD trade. So for that, I would need to wait for the price to tap into a fair value and then for it to continue lower. So yeah, the trade would have been this right here, literally this. And target this minimum and overall down here. So yeah, that's literally the trade. Like I said, if this setup showed itself literally after 9:30 or during 9:30, then I would have took it. Well, I don't know if I would have taken it, but it would be a valid short for me. But it didn't, that's not the case, so I couldn't do that. I'm trying to be disciplined, man. Like I said though, I don't know. I probably won't be able to find a trade, man, because we're playing with big ranges right now. Which is, it's not really that much of a problem, but at the same time, I don't think I'll be able to find a trade, a valid one. Yeah, S&T here. I wouldn't trust it though, because we're literally inside this fair value here still, and we're tapping into this, and we are also tapped into here, so technically we can just go up from here. It doesn't even need to go down here. I mean, this is a demo, so we're just gonna hold it. Oh, this shit was right here. And I ain't even 1 or 2, man. See if we can run this bitch. I'm allowed to cuss, right? Like this ain't TikTok, right? Yeah. Wait, hold on. Okay. Yeah, the only thing I could really see us taking out is this high up here, but I feel like it's gonna take a while to do that. And too, like I said, I don't know. I can't really explain it, man. But like this type of price action, you know, it's compared to like even last month. It's like this is different, bro. Like, this is different type of price action. I think I'm gonna get stopped out here. Yeah, definitely about to get stopped out here.
Order filled.
It's a pretty good trade though, nonetheless. It's gonna be a slow ass fucking day, bro. One view. That was me. That view was me. If we can get a turnaround here, this will be pretty decent. Like closer here or here. It would be a decent trade, but I don't know if I would take it. 'Cause I don't really have a valid target. Yeah, sure, I could target this, but it's not really that good for me. Don't mark it up though. Yeah, this is a pretty decent trade. We're gonna
Order
join in on
filled.
our little demo here. Currently S&T here. Expect some type of retracement here. Should I give this a go? Stops here. This ain't too bad. Safe stop be above here though. The target just isn't enough, man. It's not enough target for me. If this was like a London low or an Asia low, I'll take this shit 100%. But it's not, so looks really good so far. I might just stay live until 10 o'clock. Probably not even gonna take a trade on the fucking eval here. Whoa, what is this? We're way below. I ain't gonna lie. For me to even comfortably look for longs, also, I would need to see price close above here, man. So honestly, we're kind of in between where you don't
Order
take a
filled.
short or a long. What is this? Oh shit, you can just do this? That's new. It's not working though. Wait, hold on. How about this? That's just a limit. It's not working. Alright, pumping it up now. Like I said, I'm not comfortable. I'm not comfortable with this long here. We got a nice inversion right here. And there's low S&T right there. If I were to take this trade, it would look like this. Target that high up there. Then again, like I said, I'm not very confident with this, but we're gonna set one. Or you can enter at the inversion on a 5 minute. But considering how price is moving right now, I'll take my chances that it's gonna hit that limit. Cause like it hasn't been moving. You know what I'm saying? So it makes you think it's just gonna fucking ignore. It's just gonna not tap that, which it could. It could like not tap it, but like I said, context. We ain't doing shit. So it makes you think it's not gonna tap it, and then it's just gonna continue going higher. So you might as well just take your chances. I'm not. I don't have this limit on my eval, by the way. This is just in a demo here. If price doesn't tap it, then shit. It is what it is. I'm finding a re-entry up there somewhere. So yeah, nice closure above that 15 right there would be result to a nice CISD right here. Even then, we still have this to worry about. But we have confirmation at this point, so we could try to anticipate that price is gonna run through this and take out that high up there. This is another trade here too. Yeah, nice closure up here on a 15. Stops right there. TP here. Oh, bro, I just keep yawning.
Order filled.
There you go. Yeah, nice S&T also there. Safe stop be the low, obviously, but see, that shit should be below right here. This is what is it? Order block. Yeah, it's an order block right there. So let's see. This is a really solid trade, but like I said, it's just out of my comfort zone. Yeah, I wouldn't be very confident with this trade if I was in it. See, look at that, bro. We ain't doing shit, bro. It's going back and forth. About to get taken out, man. Already. Like, dang, what just got in here? A lot of SMTs here. See, technically we did close above it, but at the same time, if you look at that closure, it's not the best closure, but it is a closure nonetheless. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I might enter this short towards this low here. But fuck, is it so trash though? It's trash to the point that I don't know if I would. Actually, that's not too bad. Enter at the inversion here. But at the same time, though, man, like this looks so bad, bro. Like price, the way prices are moving right now is just so trash. And like I said, like we could go up from here at any moment. Like I'm not even sure if we're gonna hit this, but if we are gonna hit it, it's gonna do it now. Yeah, it's gonna do it now. Like not, I don't mean literally now. I'm talking about this particular setup here. It would do it in this setup. Like, this is a big range we're in, man. 90 fucking points is just backwards. I mean, sideways. Like, when you look at this range, it doesn't even seem like it's a lot, which is, that's exactly what I mean. It's like, like the price action we got going on right now is a lot different than like even last month. So it's kind of difficult trying to find really good trades. Like obviously, like this is fucking like clear as day is bullish, obviously, but like we're just we're just in a position where it's hard when to fucking buy. That's that shit. You know, what? Finals. Good even got that shit. We're gonna leave that. They're just getting no PC, so everything's all fucked. Closure block here, and below here, and sounds like this would be very valid. Very valid if we had a strong target. That's it. I don't even think it's worth it looking at this, man. So yeah, 10 o'clock. I'm gonna wrap this up. Nice closure right there. Might not even close yet, actually. This is so ass. Oh, nice, nice. I'm probably gonna run those highs up there. A nice equal highs up there. I don't want to get them. It's too late. Some been a trade here. Move my stops right here. Target that up there. Yo, equal highs into a 5-minute gap. This does not look bad at all. Might give it a go. Should I? Ah, fuck, I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know how I feel about this. Yeah, it just looks so bad.
Order filled.
That's pretty solid though. But yeah, it's just not the right environment. It's just back and forth. This shit could still go higher though. Like I said, safe stop be below the low. Swing low.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get a fucking trade here. I should have had a trade here. Or 50% doesn't make it. Yeah, very much right there. Not much of a difference. It's not looking bad for a split also. Put an even fourth down. So pretty much same shit. Tapping here. Just the ISD right there. Enter. Pretty much entering the wick of this candle. Normally this is a better looking candle. We can have a body. But this is a very wicky candle. So let's see again at 50% of it. Safe stop, I'd say the top of the fucking swing high, but I'll just put it right here. And boom. That would be the trade right there. This is a valid trade. But you gotta have your own discretion, and you gotta understand what type of environment we're in, and your targets, all that. They all matter. So for me, I wouldn't take it. Like I said, any day if my target right now was like some type of old low, like previous day low, fucking
Order filled.
Asia London low, I would take it, but no, can't. Don't like the way the price is looking. Yeah, there you fucking go right there. So just to go again, the trade. tap into this, tapping here, tap here also. We already did tap into it, but we recently just tapped into that. Here goes your CISD right there. Enter anywhere in this tool candle, anywhere in there. And then, yeah, target this gap right here. And there you go. Just not very probable for me personally, but valid trade nonetheless. Other than that, here, I wouldn't look for shorts anymore. Until we close this, then yeah, you can look for shorts targeting this low here. Other than that, now just sit and wait for it to shift higher, or like I said, close below and then continue lower. It's 4 hours, but it close. If this 4 hour closes like this, yo, we could target the fucking low of the 4 hour. For me, I would need to see price tap into a 5-minute gap though. See how this 4 hour closes. They might even run it before it closes. They love to do that shit. Like I said, if we can get a 5-minute tap, man, and then, yeah, that would be really good. Okay. 4 hours about to close though. Don't like how that 5-minute looks, but still, it still stands here. If you can get a tap and then to continue it, you know, tries to go for a continuation, then yeah, that'll be valid. Would be valid. I'll put this shit real quick here. Well, still got 2 minutes. They always look like that, bro. Oh, looks like the shorts might not be viable here. Yeah, nah, same shit though. Same shit. I would need to see price goes above here, man. Here, then maybe we can anticipate it closing here, and then we can run it. Yeah, these shorts ain't looking too good now. Oh yeah, forgot we got some medium impact news. You can take this long here to this fucking high. Wait, actually, hold on. No, they had a wick. If they didn't have a wick, I'll take that long. Quick long. This is a very tricky price action, man. Bro, I'm so tired, bro. See, I don't like the fact that this barely has a wick, bro. For me to be comfortable shorting this, they should have done this when we were running. Which they still could do, which I think they're about to do now. All right, we can turn around from here. Oh. If they can turn around from here, we can look for shorts. No, it's probably 50 points. More than that. Probably got an SMT on here. Yeah, same shit though. I don't know. I don't feel about this. It just looks so bad. So we got a tap inversion here. So it would be a trade. Like this. Or like this. Maybe about 50% of this, something like that. Yeah, something like that. Like I said, you still gotta take into account, you know, the way this 4 hour closed. If this was a shorter body, I would be more confident with it. And like we're still inside here, so it's just pretty. It's high resistance. Let's just say that. Let's just say that it's high resistance for lower. So I don't know how much I would trust that. But this is the setup here, though. I did say I was gonna wrap this up, man. I'm about to do just that. Hold on. Might be able to get this trade here. Honestly, I don't know if I would want to take this shit on the fucking UL, bro. This whole day just looks like ass. Like, we ain't really done shit, but at the same time, look, we dropped 130 fucking points since market open. It's kind of, it kind of goes to show you what type of environment we're in. Like, we ain't done shit, really, but we already moved 130 points. No clear targets, nothing. So, yeah, if I were to take a trade in a eval, I would just be, that's just me, like, trying to trade just to trade. But yeah, pretty much, if we do get this move here, closure below here, a retest of it would be the trade. Or, when we close below here, assuming it's going to be a nice, healthy close, this would make this a CISD. So you can take a trade either here or the body of this candle. Stops above here. Actually, we're gonna put it here, and then target this low here, bare minimum. So that's pretty much the setups here. And for longs, yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna look for longs until we close above here, here, or here. You know, safest would be waiting for a closure above here, and then we can wait for a retracement to run into this high. So that's my criteria for longs. So yeah, that's about it, man. I'll see you guys on my next live.